morning, boys and girls. I'm on holiday right now. I'm just navigating my granddad's fishing boat to France, which is pretty awesome because I've never actually successfully driven the boat very far at all before. I've barely made it to Cherbourg and back in one piece, so I'm pretty impressed with that. If I said I would text you when I arrived, it's because my phone doesn't work, so my enemies are probably celebrating my death right now. They probably think I've drowned. I have in fact made it. It did take me an extra half an hour because I went in little detours, but did make it. Now my plan is to run. There's 2 nuclear power stations within what I think is reasonable Sophie running distance. I'm going to run to the furthest away one, try and have a look at it. The internet says you're not allowed to go near it, but you can't believe everything you see on the internet. And then I'm going to run to the other nuclear power station, which is the opposite direction. I'll show you how far it takes me. I think it's going to be like, hopefully I can do it within like 18k, but I don't know where the paths are, so it might take me a little bit further, but that's all good. And then look at the other nuclear power station, and that's my only plan. And also because of tides, I'm stuck here for 4 days, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to do a proper explanation of what I'm doing at some point, but so far I've run 16 and a bit kilometers, so like 10 miles. I found some berries for sustenance, so just having a little berry break, and then I'm going to go to the nuclear waste disposal and then run probably another 13-14 miles. Let's go. Shit, man. Oh. Fuck yeah, we made it. Okay. I think I'm gonna get asked to leave because some guy has tried to speak to me in French, but I didn't understand. Everyone else I've seen has got like a lanyard or an ID, and I have like just walked in through the security barrier. So, I mean, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm already here, so it's kind of dumb. But I just want, oh yeah. That's all I wanted to do, pretty much.